Hi guys, Clint here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're standing behind a MasterCraft 2023 NXT 22. If you walk back here to the back of the boat with me, show you some cool features. To start off, we have a pull down swim platform. So that's a nice entry exit, getting back in the boat or just hanging out, sit behind the boat, watching everybody swim around. So now that we're inside the boat now, the interior colors are oyster beige cream, along with the cocoa brown. I think it turned out really great. Cool features with MasterCraft. Every MasterCraft comes standard with clamping racks. You're not going to see that really anywhere else. Nobody's doing that in the game currently right now. You have your standard Z6 tower. It does fold down, undo both clamps, folds into the boat. Along with the tower, you have dual clips tower speakers for your tunes. Walking up to the dash, pretty straightforward. Simplistic dash, analog toggle switches and gauges. You still have a screen for your surf presets and wakes presets as well. Super easy to use, left or right, you're surfing. Another cool feature on all MasterCrafts, you have communicating storage that communicates all the way up to the bow. So all your boards, all the big bulky stuff, get them out of the way, have extra room for their friends and family to move out the boat. Walking up to the bow with the hook fork design, super wide bow, a lot of space. You just want to lay out in the sun, catch some rays. All right guys, thank you for visiting with me and checking out this video. If you want to come check out this particular NXT and other models, come check us out at MarineMax over here in Lewisville, Texas. Again, my name is Clint Riether. You can give me a call at 214-908-7464. Looking forward to seeing you.